Today we are making easy cinnamon rolls. Take a breakfast bowl and measure 60 grams of butter. Add 40 grams of sugar. Use whatever sugar you have, it makes no difference in flavor. Add 2 sachets of vanilla sugar. Preheat your oven at 200 to 240 degrees. Each oven heats differently, so you need to try your own oven for best results. You can use any oven setting. Add 2 teaspoons cinnamon. This is a rough estimate and it will not make a huge impact if the measurement is not precise. Mix all the ingredients until you have a smooth mixture. If the butter is too cold, warm it up in your microwave. When warming up butter, make sure to limit the microwave exposure to 10 seconds burst, turning or stirring the butter after each burst. Mix all the ingredients until you have a smooth mixture. Take a package of croissant dough. I bought mine in Ali. Unroll it on your countertop. Fold all the seams and holes together. Spread your butter cinnamon sugar mixture evenly over the dough. Carefully roll up the dough again. Cut the dough in 6 equal parts. Place the 6 rolls evenly spaced on a cooking tray. Place the 6 rolls evenly spaced on a cooking tray. Preheat your oven at 200 to 240 degrees. Each oven heats differently, so you need to try your own oven for best results. You can use any oven setting. Place in the preheated oven for approx 10 minutes. While the rolls are cooking, there is time to make the glazing. Take a breakfast bowl, put 2 tablespoons of milk inside. Warm it up for 10 seconds. Add a sachet of vanilla sugar and mix until the sugar is dissolved. Add 90 to 100 grams of powdered sugar. Mix until you get a smooth texture that spreads a little thicker than honey. Your rolls should look golden brown. If they are cooked too short, they will taste dewey. If they are cooked too long, they are a bit more crispy. Once the rolls are out of the oven, evenly spread the glaze over the rolls, let cool and enjoy.